Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you prime number programs in Python using simple iterative solutions. About prime number. A number which is divisible by 1 and itself. Examples of prime numbers. The first few prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and etc. So we are using simple iterative solution method. In this method, we will use simple if-else statements and for loop to iterate through all the numbers in a range while checking for factors of the number. Now we will see the code whether a number is prime number or not. So let's take a number. This value is 50 and we will take one boolean value, that is flag equal to 0, which is same as false. For a given integer input, we take prime or not. We'll use one for loop for I in range of 2 comma number. Range function is used to generate a sequence of number. I takes on the current value. Here I takes on the current value from the range starting from 2 and going up to number minus 1. Here number 15 is exclusive and 2 is inclusive. Let's take one if else statements. If number divisible by I items will take range from 2 to 1, 15 minus 1, that is 4, equal to 0. Flag, we will take one boolean value, that is flag equal to 1, same as 2, and we will break the statement. If number divisible by I equal to 0, where flag equal to 1, then we will break the statement. If any of the above conditions are satisfied, the number isn't a prime. We will take one if else statement. If flag equal to 1, print not a prime number. Else print prime number. Let's print the output. Wait a minute. We will save the code. Now let's print the output. And it is not a prime number. Number 15 is not a prime number. Let's debug and run the code. Using breakpoints, we breakpoint from for loop. We will run and debug the Python code. Let's see the code. Here flag is 0, which is initial flag is false and number equal to 15. Now let's loop it. If number divisible by I equal to 0, which is range, I takes on the current value from the range, which is current value is 2. If 15 divided by 2 equal to 0, no, then it will check, it will go on another loop, and I is 3. Current I value is 3. 3 divided by 15 equal to 0. Now flag will be 1 and it will break the statement. And if flag equal to 1, print not a prime number. So 15 is not a prime number. Now we will give number 7. Let's check whether number 7 is prime number or not. Let's run and debug it. Now we will using dry run. We will check whether 7 is a prime number or not. Now flag is false and number equal to 7. Let's check. If number divided by I equal to 0. Current value of I is 2. 2 is not divided by equal to 7. No. Now we will take 3. It won't be equal to 0. Its remainder won't be equal to 0 because 3 divided by 7 remainder is 1. Now 4. We will check 4. Here I current value of I is 4. Flag is equal to 0, not 1. If it is equal to 1, it will break the statement and it will print not a prime number. So flag is equal to 0. Now current value of I is 5. Here current value of I is 5. It will check up to the number minus 1. 7 minus 1, 6, up to I equal to 6, because number here is in range. Starting value and ending value is exclusive, starting value is inclusive. Now I value is 6. Now it won't check 7. If flag equal to 1, print not a number. Here flag is 0, so it will print else statement. So it will print prime number. So 7 is a prime number. Thank you everyone for watching this.